Here's the hard truth. Your competitors are closing deals faster than you, and that's just a fact. But it's not because they're better salespeople, not because they have better products, but because they know when to reach out. They're acting on key buying signals, the hidden changes that tell you when someone's ready to buy before you even see them. Now today in this video, I'm going to break down the 5 most powerful buying signals that top reps track religiously. And one of these signals makes our customers millions of dollars every single month. I'll show you which signal that is, and I'll show you how to automate tracking all of these so you don't miss another perfect moment to sell. So let me explain what I mean in this video. Now at Wiza, we've been helping B2B sales teams with their intent tracking with Wiza Monitor, and the difference between teams that close deals and the teams that struggle always comes down to the few same things. They're tracking the right signals at the right time. Now these reps aren't just working harder, they're watching for invisible changes that happen before someone enters the market, a VP switches jobs, company funding announcement, a team doubling in size. These are all the moments that are predictable buying windows. And in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 buying signals that the top 1% of sales reps track religiously. So signal number 1 is champion job changes. When your past buyer or user joins a new company, that's your fastest path to a brand new deal. Now, hopefully their past company is still using whatever it is that you offer, so when they move, you're just adding on an extra easy new customer. Now this works really well and is actually low-hanging fruit because the trust is already built, the relationship is warm, and they probably need a quick win in their new role. So if someone championed your product once, they'll probably do it again in a new role. Now the manual way to track this is to use LinkedIn Sales Navigator. You track job changes, monitor updates, and try to catch who moved. But the problem with this is it's slow, it's messy, and easy to miss these notifications, especially if you're not religiously checking Sales Navigator every single day. But there is actually a better solution for this, which is Wiza Monitor. It detects job changes in real time and pings you on Slack or email instantly, so you can catch every single move and you never miss a warm lead. If you want to learn a little bit more about Wiza Monitor and how it works, go down to the link in the description. Now, signal 2 is team expansion and rapid hiring. When a company starts hiring 5 or more SDRs or AEs, they're probably scaling their pipeline. And scaling usually means new tools, new systems, and hopefully new budgets. And this is your cue for a warm outreach. You could say something like, hey, I noticed you're growing your outbound team. Here's how we help teams scale faster. Now, the manual way of tracking this is that you just find out weeks later by scrolling on LinkedIn job posts, or maybe you have some sort of automation set up. But again, you could just use Wiza Monitor to surface hiring spikes instantly so that you're first in their inbox. Now, signal 3 is tech stack updates. When a company adopts new tools like maybe HubSpot, Outreach, Salesforce, or Wiza, they're actively investing in their infrastructure. And when they upgrade their tech, they're looking for solutions to make those new tools work even better and deliver faster ROI. And that's your opening. You could reach out and say something like, hey, I noticed that you rolled out this new tool. Here's how similar teams doubled efficiency with our solution. Now, tech upgrades are a great buying signal. Reach out right now and position yourself as a partner who helps them get results fast. Now, here's where things actually get interesting, as if they weren't interesting enough already. The next 2 signals that I'm going to touch on are the ones that most reps completely ignore, but when they align, your close rates go through the roof. So signal number 4 is funding announcements. When a company announces a new round, they're most likely about to spend big. New funding means expansion, more hires, new tools, and bigger budgets. Everyone crowds their inbox immediately after the announcement, so the smarter move is waiting a few days and reaching out with relevance. You could say something like, hey, I saw your Series A, exciting growth ahead, but I'm just curious how you're planning to scale your team and processes. Now, funding is a green light. Timing and relevance makes you the partner they actually listen to. Now, signal number 5 is leadership change. When a company appoints new leadership, like a new VP of sales, fresh leaders tend to move fast, usually within their first 90 days. They restructure teams, they replace underperforming tools, they really want to just make an impact. Now, this is your window to move quick. Research their background and tailor your outreach to them. You could say something like, hey, congrats on the new role. I've been working with teams during transitions to help them hit quick wins in their first 90 days. Let's chat. Catch them early and you win the deal. And here's the thing, when signal number 4 and 5 happen at the same time, new funding and new leadership, that's your golden opportunity. But this is where most reps completely drop the ball, and this is costing them millions of dollars in missed opportunities. The problem is that you can't track these signals manually. These signals are buried across hundreds of LinkedIn profiles, job posts, and random spreadsheets. You need to manually check every contact every single day just to catch one of these signals. But here's the bigger problem. signal stacking. A single job change, well, that's interesting, but a job change plus funding plus leadership change, that's a $50,000 to $100,000 deal just waiting to happen. Now, the best reps wait for 2 to 3 signals to align on the same account, then they strike at the perfect moment. But manually tracking all these signals across hundreds of prospects, that's nearly impossible. And that's why top performers automate it all with Wiza Monitor. Wiza Monitor tracks all of these buying signals in real time for you. It's your always-on intent radar, scanning your entire contact base and alerting you the moment something shifts. Now imagine getting this Slack notification at 9 a.m. Your top prospect just hired a new VP of marketing. You act immediately, you reach out with relevance, and you book a meeting before anyone else even notices. And here's exactly how it works. You upload your contacts as a CSV or just connect your CRM. Wiza then monitors LinkedIn daily, detecting job moves, leadership changes, and company shifts. Then you get instant alerts by email and Slack. You can tag contacts, organize by priority, and set custom alerts for specific roles or accounts. If you want to see exactly which of your accounts are showing buying signals right now, you can start your free 30-day trial and track up to 1,000 contacts with zero risk. Now, there's no credit card required to sign up, and it literally takes minutes to get this all set up. Now, if you want to see it in action first, then you can watch this video right here, which walks you through exactly how Wiza Monitor works and how to get it set up in under 10 minutes so you can start catching these signals today. So click right here to watch the video, or go down to the link in the description if you don't see it on screen, and have a magical day. I'll see you in the next video.